Hey 40 Plusers, it's Deborah here. Today we are doing the February 2015 Allure Sample Society box. This side, my light is burnt out, so I got weird shadows going on. I'm trying to figure that out, but you're all big girls, you can figure it out. So Allure Sample Society is a box full of goodies. I'm a 3-year-old. I say it every time. I get a box, I open a box. Presents are good. I love presents. So, it comes with this booklet-y thing. And this month, everything's all slick and shiny as far as hair and brows, and then a Marsala eye look and an ombre lip, dark with light in the center. We have a fragrance sample, Chloe. Now, I thought Chloe was an existing perfume line. It says this would be $75 for 1.7 ounces, so that's in the upper range as far as fragrances go in my knowledge. Obviously, there's going to be really, really high ones, but this is very flowery. I do not prefer flowery scents. I like sweet scents or earthy scents. Chloe is flowery, florally. I think someone who likes floral scents would really like this. Here you go. Tester of Chloe. Okay. My throat really doesn't like that at all. Face. I'm going to show you. I'm actually going to try to show you the box. I took a picture of it. So you've got Hairspray Batiste. Here's the Chloe sample. There's 3 facial pods. There's little face masks. Here is a periwinkle blue nail lacquer from Nails Inc. And Strivectin Illuminator, which I had one of these in last month's box, so I'm stoked to get another one. I love the brand Strivectin, but it's a little pricey for me. So these pods, they look like old school ketchup cups. But these are face masks. Maskage. Spa Pamperage. We have a deep cleansing with cucumber and jojoba. And it doesn't scoosh around, so it's probably creamy or lotiony. And here's the Hydrating Mask with camellia seed and spirulina extract. That's the stuff that you use in green smoothies. It's an algae. Intense hydrating. I have very dry skin. This one should be very nice. And the third and final one is Revitalizing. Flaxseed and peppermint oil revitalizes and plumps because the peppermint oil irritates things and makes blood come to the surface. At least I think so. And full size of these are $2.99 a piece. So these are full size. It's not like they're samples, then you have to pay $65 for something. Gel formula, not lotion or cream. Glycerin and olive oil. The Revitalizing has camphor. That's like something that you use to open your sinuses also. So it's a dilator. It would do the same to your outside skin as it does to your mucous membranes. The deep cleansing also has witch hazel, which is an astringent toner. Astringent in a gentle way. It's not like denatured alcohol. They're pudding thick white gels, paraben free. Revitalizing and deep cleansing are minty, and the hydrating is fruity smelling. I love masks. I have a drawer full of masks. I love getting these, and like for the Revitalizing and the hydrating, I probably put them in the fridge the morning before I want to use them, and I'll put them on cool. Okay, the third item is Strivectin Illuminating Serum. It's a radiant boosting serum for face and neck and décolleté. So this is a boob up brightening serum, AM and PM. Avoid eyes. Ingredients: water, daisy flower extract, I don't know, isopropyl something or other, sounds like an alcohol, myristal nicotinate. Does that sound like nicotine? Phytyl pentyl glycol glycer hydroscorchol polymethylsquinolaclacylane. Lots of anes and enes and propyls in here. I have to look up the ingredients. I haven't started using the other tube of this yet, so I was excited to get another one. Strivectin is a good brand, but I should look up these ingredients before I put them on my face in case they're going to make my face fall off. Silicone, yeast extract, there's algae, amino acids, soy, nasturtium, which is edible. I wouldn't suggest eating it. So they've got, towards the bottom half, after soy, they have the herbal. It is fragranced. So, yay, Strivectin. It's a good brand. I should look at the ingredient list and see what the actual effectiveness of these things should be before I put it on my face. The Pretty Shiny product is Nails Inc. London, and this is called Princess Palace. And it is a light periwinkle blue, so it's a blue with a touch of purple in it. It is a pretty cream nail polish, Periwinkle Blue. They like it. They suggest putting it with a matte top coat. I'm going to try that. I'll try a matte. I'll try a satin. I've got some metamorphic, like opalescent and pearlescent top coats as well. Okay. This is $9 for Nails Inc. This is my first Nails Inc polish. I am aware of the brand. I just haven't actually added any of it to my collection. Although it will stand up in my slide drawer, so it takes up less room than lying down. So that's always a plus when you can stand up your nail polish in your drawer. Tall, weird-ass nail polishes really bother my organizational sense. All right, and I believe this will be very, very popular with some people. It's not something, if you can tell, that I deal with. This is the Batiste brand dry shampoo. It says in blush. So it's scented. It's a rice starch. Spray in with conditioner. Goes on without the white residue. It's in either a love it or hate it floral scent. Florals again. It's talc free. Let it sit, spray it in, let it sit for a minute, and then brush out. I'm not going to spray this. I've got an overdose of floral on my arm already from the Chloe. Floral and fruity blush seduction. If you've tried this, give your thoughts in the comments below, so that people can learn, because I probably will never try this. I probably trade it away. But everything else in this box, I will get use out of. The Chloe, I know exactly who I'm giving that to, and then the Batiste will probably trade away. So that is the Allure Sample Society February 2015 box. Here it is again. 3 facial mask packs, fragrance sample, Periwinkle Nails Inc, Princess Palace, Trivectin Illuminator, and the dry shampoo. That is your Allure Sample Society 2015 for February. Stibber, I'm out. Be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day.